Hey everybody, welcome back. This is the second video in the series. I just wanted to show you guys real quick one of my heat sinks, the pattern that I have drawn out on there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I have it marked with a B for blue, a white for obviously the cool white LEDs that I'm going to have on here. The X's will mark where each LED will go. However you want to do it is up to you, but just try to spread them out as much as you can, as evenly as possible, for the maximum amount of light spread. It's pretty simple stuff. Okay, in the last video I showed you I would pre-tinned the pads on the LEDs, and now that that is all taken care of, I want to show you guys what we need to do next, or at least what I believe we need to do next. Okay, I have the part one, or the part A and part B of the adhesive, the thermal adhesive from Rapid LED. I'm going to show you. I don't have much left here. I've used up most of it, but we'll take a little bit of. We'll take the exact same amount. We're going to try and use the exact same amount here. Okay, they send with these two tubes, they send a little stick here to stir it up. You need to make sure to mix these two thoroughly, the two parts. Okay, next, now that I have my thermal adhesive mixed up, I'm going to take, this is some of my royal blues that I have here. I'm going to take a couple of these and I'm going to start putting them on my heat sink. Okay, I want to show you. It does not, you don't need very much. It's a very small amount. You just dab it on the back there. That should be plenty. It's a small amount. You shouldn't need any more than that. Now on my heat sink here, I have marked where the blue positive and the white positives will be, and I'll show you later why I did that. So after you put a little dab on there, you just press the LED down on your designated point, and you keep moving. This stuff will dry up on you fairly quickly, so you have to keep moving. This is really easy. I believe it's important that you designate, when you draw out on your heat sink, the predetermined positive versus negative areas on your heat sink. And this is for the reason of running your wires. And you may not be able to see this, but I have B positive, B positive, B positive. Okay, this is because my wires will run from positive to negative to negative and back and forth. And I don't want to have my wires crossing across or moving across the top of the LED itself. Alright, I want to show you real quick. This heat sink has already had all of the LEDs, or at least most of the LEDs, glued on. And this is the pattern that I came out with. Fairly simple. Nothing to it. I think that anybody can do this. Okay, I want to show you guys the next part in this. Rapid will send you with your LED kits some pre-cut wires. I'm going to take these wires now and pre-tin them. This is important. You need to make sure you pre-tin your wires. I'm just getting the wire warmed up here first, and then I'm going to take and touch my solder on there. It's not warm enough yet. Then once it's warm enough, see, it'll set right on there. And that's all there is to pre-tinning your wires. Okay, this is the next step. This is just real quick. As you can see, I have all of my LEDs attached to the heatsink, and I also took my lenses, which are 60-degree lenses, and attached them to the LEDs. Now you use your 2-part epoxy to attach your lenses to your LEDs. It's the same stuff that you use to attach the LEDs to the heatsink. So you should try and plan in advance. I have the blue positive here, the blue negative, and then the blue positive here. So I'm going to attach this LED to this LED. This is a pre-tinned wire. Okay, it's that simple. Those two LEDs are attached. Now I'm going to go from the negative of this LED to the positive of this LED. That's all there is to it.